Memory is getting cheaper. Manufacturers are frightened and reduce investments. The leading manufacturers of memory, Samsung and SK Hynix, which in sum occupy two-thirds of the market of chips DRAM and hardly less than half of market NAND, are compelled to reconsider the plans on increase of production capacities. According to analysts, Korean manufacturers have faced a decline in demand for their products, and they have nothing else but to revise the development strategy. According to the calculations it cites, Samsung invests in the 2019 year in the development of production of $18 billion, which is 20% less than in the final year, and SK Hynix will reduce capital investments in the 2019 year by 22% to the amount of $10 billion. An analyst at the Korean Development Institute KDI, Kwon Kyu-ho, warns that companies have no choice but to adjust the pace of production expansion because it is impossible to expect a boom in the memory market observed in 2017 and 2018 will continue next year. Actually, the decline of demand for semiconductor products of the Korean giants is traced already now. In November, the total supply of Samsung and SK Hynix chips decreased by 16.3% relative to the October indicators, and production volumes for the same period decreased by 5.2%. Until recently, memory producers have been receiving super profits amid the rapid development of the entire IT industry and the growth of the data economy, in which global companies like Google and Amazon have become the main buyers of memory chips for commissioning diverse cloud services and big data processing services. However, the industry is now in an intense growth, and trade conflicts between the United States and China are making an additional uncertainty in the future. The market of smartphones, which used to be a major consumer of memory chips, has also been stagnating. As a result, the global markets of DRAM and NAND chips, where Samsung and SK Hynix dominate, come in a period of downward trend. In particular, the cost of DRAM chips in the period from August to October decreased by 11%, and in the period from October to the present time fell by another 1%. A similar trend is observed with chips of flash memory. From August to October they cheapened by 10%, and from October to December another 2%. As industry experts explain, no one expected such a sharp drop in prices. But even worse, there is not a single reason why the situation can change. Ahead is the protracted period of excess supply over demand with all the ensuing consequences. And here the leading memory manufacturers are waiting for another blow. In the 2019 year, mass production of DRAM and NAND products should start. Chinese companies